another Tyler, this time again Japanese Studio Elite HD. So as always, let's go through the specs and then let's proceed with the sounds. Right, of the looks you can tell it's a Studio Elite. Since we have a HSS configuration, we have this small button here which indicates the booster. So this one is made of Mamywo, so kind of mahogany like Asian wood, with a maple neck and a rosewood fretboard. We have of course the James Tyler signature headstock. We have an arm cut here, so this is also lacquered part, but this is in natural color. You can see the grain in the wood, and except for this little part here, all guitar is black. So in front, but as well in the back, headstock, matching headstock, and the back of the neck is painted black, and of course the whole body is painted black. The difference between the painting in the body and painting in the back of the neck is that this is very solid satin, not transparent paint, while in the neck, if you look closely, I think it's not going to be visible in the video, but you can see the closer photos on our website. You can see the grain here, you can see the gentle structure of the wood, but at the same time you cannot feel it. It's very satin, it's very smooth, very easy to move your thumb around. So we have hip shot tuners, which is standard for James Tyler guitars nowadays. We have a rosewood fretboard, 11-inch radius. This one has a neck profile of standard 59, so it's a tiny bit chunkier, but it's not like Gibson 59 neck. It's more comfortable, more ergonomic. We have a thicker body than in a regular Strat, as always in Tyler guitars. We have the master volume, master tone, 5-way switch, the booster, which is engaged by the button here, and we have a singles JTS 5500 in the neck and middle, and then a super humbucker in the back. So this is very similar configuration as to the American Black Classic, but in sounds it's a bit different. So let's talk about sounds very quickly. So let's talk about the sounds very quickly. So in terms of the sound, the comparison between the Landau Classic and a Studio Elite HD can be found in other videos that we made. There's a very direct comparison of these two. But just to recap, this one is more massive sounding, has a lot of more mid-range and low frequencies. There is a basis to the sound. At the same time, it's not as stratish, round, cleanish. So I would say this one is more for maybe hard rock or more aggressive music styles, while this one can easily replace your Strat with even much more bell-like sound to it. So let's start with a clean sound as always. Let's go through some chords, through some licks. Then let's proceed with a crunchier until maybe we will give justice to this guitar, but by playing maybe some more metal oriented or hard rock oriented riffs. Let's see. In a clean sounds it's quite even. We have a bit of this roundish neck sound, strat-like, but not as bright as you would find, for example, in a black classic. And under the bridge there is a power, there is meatiness, but it doesn't yet shine in the very clean sounds. The pickup combo and the sound combo under every position is quite balanced. You can feel the humbucker a bit more trying to rock away, but as we go into crunch they also can complement each other. The neck is still fatter and fatter, the bridge gets more crunchy in the mid-range. So without further ado, let's try some more crunchy riffs. And now let's play the same but with a bit more gain on a even more overdriven setting, and let's try the chords and licks.